channel. So today I've got this little AliExpress nail haul. So it's just a few bits that I thought I'd show you. I'm still waiting for a couple of bits to arrive, but I thought I would just get started because I wanted to get a video out. So firstly, I've got this chessboard nail display set. I really wanted one of these because I've seen my idol Selena Ryden using one, and I really wanted to get it. So it's like a magnetic tin with like the chessboard print, and it's got the little diamante in there, really pretty. This was like £3.66, and then you've got these little bits there that clip on with the magnet, and then you can like put the nail tip on the top there, and then you can also stick them on top of the lid as well, so you can work on the lid, or you can display on top of the tin. So yeah, I think it's great like that. So yeah, see, I just think it's beautiful. So you can put the lid on, and yeah, I think that I just love it. I just really wanted it. And then when you put them back in, they also stick with like the magnet inside there, and then you can just store it all in there and it closes up lovely. So I'll just put that back away in the box. So next up, I got some glitters. These were a black and a white glitter that I got. So that's the black one. That's the white one. So I'll just unscrew the white one. So I actually did try this white one out. I expected it to be more of a actual white glitter, but it actually gives you a gold undertone rather than actual white glitter. And this is the black one. I actually haven't tried out the black yet, but it does look stunning. I think it would look beautiful over like a black nail or anything like that, but I think it's beautiful. And there they are back together, so stunning. So I forgot to say the glitters were 75p and 52p. Next thing I got was this black Christmas nail foil. It calls it a sticker, nail sticker, but it's actually a foil. I haven't actually tried it yet, so I don't know if it actually works, if it sticks, but I'll use some Stick It gel and hopefully it'll work. It's just a black backing with some holographic silver snowflakes on there, so hopefully that will work. But you get a good plenty amount on there that you get in the packaging, so yeah, I was happy with that. Next thing I got was some beads, moisture beads, and this was for my lash glue. I'm actually using it now inside my lash glue pot, and I put my glue in there, and it's to absorb any excess moisture to protect my glue, so I use that now currently, but that took ages to arrive. Next thing I got was one of these mood ring colour changing gels. This is a 2-gram pot, so it doesn't seem like you actually get a lot in there. I actually did use this on my own nails. I applied 2 coats over a gel, and after a few hours it literally peeled off. If you want me to show you how I did that, comment down below and I'll let you know, but it did not work for me. So any ways of how it works, any help, let me know down below. But yeah, I did a chrome bubble nail there. If you want to know how, I'll put a link down below of my video. But here you'll see my thumb of when I initially done the mood ring thumb, and it initially did look really good, but it just didn't last, which is a shame. And that actually cost me £4.88. These are some nail stickers I got. I just got 2 of them. They're geometric gold 3D stickers. They were £1.66 each. I really like these ones, like the oval shapes, and then I just got some heart ones because you can't go wrong with hearts. And I liked the ones with a long strip and then the heart on the end as well. I thought they would be good as well coming up to Valentine's. What else did I get? Oh yeah, I forgot about this. This was another Thermo gel. This was an Elite 99 one. I haven't actually used this one yet, and this pot is tiny. I was so shocked when it arrived on the size of the pot compared to the other one. If you just compare them together, it is tiny, but it's 2 grams. It says it's the same amount. So I hadn't actually opened it until now, until filming, but when you open it, it's filled to the rim. So, you know, I assume it's the same amount in there, just a smaller pot rather than being an empty pot. And this one was £4.90, but I haven't tried it, so I don't know if this one works. And that's the Elite 99 Thermochromatic liquid, they call it. I don't think they even call it a gel, they call it a liquid. So next things I got were these cuticle pens. I actually did get 3, but I've got one in the house that I'm using. I got them in 3 flavours: peaches, strawberry and orange. I say flavours, maybe more scents. And then they're the pens with the cuticle oil inside, where you pump it one end, and then you've got the oil there in the middle, and then you've got the brush. That's where you pump it, and then you've got the brush the other end where you just apply it around your nails. They were 54p each, and I didn't know if I wanted to get them to gift them to my clients or to sell them, but I just thought I'd get a few just to see how they were, and would go from there. These next things, these were a fail. These are watercolour nail painting pens. I got these in 3 colours: grey, gold and pink. I haven't opened them until now, until this filming. But yeah, you know, when I opened it here, like, nothing's coming out. So I'm opening it up to see if there's any ink coming out. And you can see, like, it's dry, there's no colour there, there's no ink there. That's meant to be the grey one. But there's just, like, nothing in there. Like, I don't know, am I supposed to put colour in there? I just don't know, you know, what I'm supposed to do with them. And they were like £1.60 each. This is like meant to be the gold one. So I opened another one just to see, you know, was it just an error with one pen, a problem with one pen? But again, you know, look, it's empty. There's like nothing in there. So I'm going to have to contact the seller. I don't know if I've just been sold a dud product. Yeah, I was really disappointed because I almost was going to buy every colour when I was ordering them, so I'm glad I didn't, but I did buy 3 of them at £1.60 each. So that was a fail. First time in a long time that I've been let down with an AliExpress purchase. These next things are Born Pretty 90 cat eye gels. I haven't tried them yet. You can see they were still sealed up, but these are beautiful. Look at this one, absolutely stunning. I love cat eyes. That is stunning. So hopefully it does work. Otherwise, just that colour on its own is a beautiful gel. So if you want to see me give them a go, let me know. So that one was called Romantic Turkey, I think it said there. And this is another one. So yeah, if you want me to try them out in another video, just comment down below and I'll do that for you. And that one was called Lighthouse Pharos. So yeah, I think that is the lot. That's everything I got in this haul. Like I said, I was waiting. I think I was only actually waiting for one more thing, which was a magnet. It was a 12-in-1 magnet for cat eyes. I hope you liked everything. Please give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Put any comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.